Hello everybody! We are the Trash Posters. I'm Trash Panda.
I'm Trash Hyena. CF 快要到了
And CF is just right around the corner actually. And Claz'room here has a bunch of merchandise to sell, which I think you guys will be extremely excited.
这一本是凯一几年来的 art collection.
It's all printed from all his few years of art that is compiled all into this artwork book. Kai will have a signing session for both days from 3 to 4:30. This is the next book. It's compiled from all our classroom lecturers / artists. We have Zonder, Ang,
Pocket,
Freeman, Yuji Yan,
Kazio Urin,
Sims,
Mars Fong.
Ban Jun Wei.
That's it for this book. We're gonna introduce you this afterward art book. It's prepared by students, there's graduates, and then there's lecturers that work on this art book. It's a game project. It's very detailed as well. Hey, are you a fan of Yingzi?
If you are, then
Hey!
Claz'room will have a special collaboration with mascot Remy with Yingzi.
At the Claz'room booth, you can buy this folder, and it comes with a free postcard and a mystery gift. You can bring this folder to the signing session, which is on 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on both days.
Team review. So this time Claz'room 要做一个 shit team.
Claz'room 的 booth 你们可以拿到这个 brochure，在这边，好像真正是一个船这样子。
在他们的 main counter, you can actually get some free stuff. 免费东西。Fun fact: Did you know 这次的 Comic Fiesta team 那些 character 其实是 designed by lecturer 开一，
还有 Kazio Urin， 所以很美。
We hope you enjoy all these character designs.
我们有 artist 的 live digital art 的 demonstration， 我们有我们的 lecturers， 有 3D lecturers， 有 2D 的，他们当场 painting， 有当场画东西，当场 sculpting 也有。
是的，我们 Claz'room 也是会有很多activity, so that also 会有一个 green screen prepared by 我们的 3D lecturers.
Very expensive. She even have green screen. 继续，我们有我们 booth 的 trademark 开OK 开一的 live line art demonstration， 很多人看了，你要去那边看哦。不知道他这次主题会是画什么，但是那个时候就会知道。我们有 Claz'room 的 student 卖的 merch， 他们自己做的 fan art， 所以请 support 会有 Ghost Cut 的 test play， 我们的 lecturers 还有 graduates 有 students work on 这个 game 的。请 support。这里是那个 booth 的 info， 哪里可以买到什么东西，拿到什么东西，看什么东西。然后这里，如果你忘了有什么 merch 可以买的话，这里全部 info 在这边。
在这里。
我们这里面也有 intake 的 cut intake 的 info。
这些是 Claz'room 他们的 intake, the school life over there, all the lecturers you meet. So fellas, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and remember to share
to all your family members. We'll see you at Comic Fiesta 2018.
Bye!